so na wudi gu hanki no so. Abba catch a fire. Abba catch a fire. Abba catch a fire. Yeah. Hey.
And you may see what ho.
Eja. Abba catch a fire.
I've been a mugan.
Ewiase sum enu nti ana eda yeto ye premu ne se sunti ye bedo sunsum esuko na ye dedie hintaw ewo sunsum mu edi abraw o dwumadi a yato ne din ewiase ewo asundwemre so de biara anopa no nkron empemu ekopem premtobre ye ne abeifo okotfo epuasefo akomfo ene won a wo mu akotibia etete samu
Marope TV, in God we trust.
Abusia enanso ya da foforo biem na eye gidigidi pa ena de amuhu bi da na mobehunu de amunti bi da na mobeti ni nyina no se ena de bi di atem amoma me kwan mo pia nkasa ma mini atem Nigeria ni kwase ba bi aba be kan kwase asemi na me so me ba be ma no kwase repai na wo de akotra ne kwase Nigeria wote Ghana ha wa fan kwase kwan so aba betena Ghana ha e ba be kan kwase asemo de a wato bia ma otumfo te kokoso na na pia na na ma kira ne say yes wote Ghana ha uni say before that, General Nigeria girl in Soto Tunfo and Ghanaian and Ashantis and the leaders. Match them. Na me show video no so. Na yatosu Nigerian man enter hotel with that key. Ukura master key abwura hotel our Ghana how. Abwura hotel bim. Oye oso ni ge bi na ba ye che ni yehu ge no. Wo be wi hotel no. Ne yatoso bio Nigeria ni bia ya che no a oyisu Ghana passport afesu chuku di Jude edi letter bia babonte se osere Ghana bloggers te se ye no se malope ana no ode obi ahwe no yi se osere ye ma asam ne nkofam ye nja kana se si asam na kwakodi aposi fonte meso letter no am obi akenka bia ya malope TV me yetwa ye ho na se Nigeria fonte ye kofa security service abek aba Nigeria fo akromfo Nigeria fo bi ni mu akromfo nti ya kofa security service bia ba a kire se me pacho kope bi meso I so na kokope won pe o machira kwan na ommebo ho ban because you say the Nigeria for no omho aye papa nti ebusia me sabre quick one me yanko na yetwa ye homra sema afa ye ba ye fansem ne nchire mu yanko mra Okay, welcome back. Sebek, security service, papa, about Omemuha. In fact, Ebek, and I didn't know here when I do, and many appreciate media terminal. On phone in a down, me patch contact one, a security service, papa, baby, I will be as a way for companies like any adiano, one will feed your hood machines, a hood papa, hotel, and a son up security service, papa, Mama Bomba, and Nigeria for and by your bonia, but contact on form. Now, Uno Montuchan, Yenimpa. A Nigerian girl came out to insult Otunfo and Ashantis because of one blogger in Ghana who they call Nyash. Enti wababe di Otunfo get away nyabotre. O de yehwe video nemra. Ene de moma me kwamse ene mahama nchemi a wonchemi biem. Se mahama so be protecting Nigeria for wanchemi na wonchemi biem. Yehwe mra sisia.
Ghanaians, I can see that some of you don't want to learn. Some of you don't want to respect yourself. Some of you don't want peace in your life. You see this useless man. You see this man. You see this particular man here that opens his mouth and said that Igbos, we are human eaters. That Igbos, we dey chop people body. We dey Ghana. We dey Ghana. How many of your people have we used or eat their body? You see this on our people, Otunfo, any, I don't want to know whatever they called you. You see all these Ashantini people, I can see that, una like trouble. That's why no one come out to warn some of all these una useless and hungry bloggers, make them leave Igbo from their mouths. Do you see the way this man, look at his, okay, apart from this one now,
what is killing the Yoruba peoples? What the Igbos are doing in Ghana is the same thing they are doing in Yoruba land.
Okay.
They go to their platform, they are discussing Igbos. This man will make a video, he will be discussing Igbos. Why can't some of you want this man? I sabi this game. Oh. You see this particular game, I sabi and well. We go fight them to the end. You now see this thing now. See am now. Una no fit hide una envy and wickedness again. Una don't shift from Nigerians now. Una don't focus now on Igbos to make sure that you guys are creating more problem. I know that most of you are hungry, looking for social media money, but you can never trend with Igbo name. You can never play with that name. I will never give any of you that space to play with Igbo name. If this Unaso King cannot come out and warn you guys to stop that rubbish that you guys are tarnishing our image, you will hear from me.
Mamen kane borofo kakra. Mente borofo ba na mayire me ho aka borofo. Ansana Makotwi. You young lady, you say you dey Ghana here. When you dey sort Otunfo, you are stupid. You are very, very stupid, foolish girl. You are Ghana migration. I will blame you guys. This girl, we need to arrest her right now. If you know, if you are Nigerian or if you are Ghanaian and you know where this girl is staying, just contact this number. We are looking for this girl. What do you mean? Kwasia. And he also insulted Ashantis. Stupid. Now, I acquire your chain in any 3 days. He ain't also moving Nipan and the corner there. It's not you. The guy where he insulted Hassan, Dr. Hassan, incoming Ghanaian future president. He insulted him and said, we Nigerians, we Igbos, of course, we chew human being, even the neck be sweet, whatever. It not be him where he come out and said that. Stupid girl. Stupid. Now, Igbo former Winipa. Igbos, you don't human being. You don't human being. Country bend the Winipa. And Nigeria for Igbos. Where the council Otunfo should say what? Where your people make Otunfo in head animal, you come out and talk something about what? If I meet the Ghana migration, mo yenku mo bantia, mo ire yen kidnap mo ire timu dia mo nya djuma no sa, mo nya no sa. What do you mean? This is the FD Nigeria for nya tabanchire say FD o mu pedi mpanifo e wo o man mu atem. Wo tipe ni Otunfo. Mwa akwa makuba gina oka cho na oda say that guy we need to jail him. Yen jail him yen deport no. Na yen tesa akwa ne na mabonten. Kamahama. Kasedi ekufu ado kan wa ba na atonsuom. Say, call down Otunfo. I don't if you kwasia anabrofuna no kan ontias here. If you know this girl, if you anybody who know this girl should call us, even take the number. We will deport this girl. Missing Nigerians, so they want war to come to Ghana. I am saying that. Every day I will show your video or your picture. I'll put you to wanted. Kwasia ze Otumfo or whatever, I don't want to know his name. Kwasia Utipeni Otumfo that because I'm not getting Kamiya. So said Nigeria Fanya Taba, Eddie Ghana Perifatem, and the video be show you. Now Kwasia be so Babakase, Ghana, we shouldn't trust our politicians. Yes, we shouldn't trust them. That guy, and let me don't you know Musa some no can cry no cry because Juma has a guy and then politicians here is soon or somewhere. Or see, Akwebi Bekase Brebi or see, has a yarega or immigration now. Oh yes. Oh yeah, Nigeria no beka sa asem no ndra video me show e. Oh yeah, Nigeria ni no beka sa asem no say has a yarega immigration na so a police ana. Yes, we can hear pa because Ejuma has a yarega no person just like police for na say here, migration for na ka say here, chief justice na say here, president na ka say here. They are not doing it na has a yarega here. Into besides has a yarega say, are you those people ana? Because one more to me also come take it that step. They are not doing it. It seems like Hassan Ayariga ain't taking the glory. Now we say na ya to abani se bese nya bi mana. We make candidacy for bubefu, but I am saying the truth because Nigeria for tanashi mukam say omo tanashi image of NDC. Abuaba we kwasiaba we ba begina be di otumfu atem. This girl, we are looking for that girl. Me not to wanted myself. Because I'm a citizen of this country. Na me pesa from Ghana. When the location so near Ashanti region, my name the location. I don't want to know his name. What do you mean? What class in your tune for? Me krameti ya class in me abua. Ah. Eti afọ mu nse mi ni atemu da. Nigeria for your mo ebinu Jimmy sa. Mo bo bi ma mo besi bu kingdom yesi empre a. Akofa nsem bebre aba. Yet wo yesi obi di ECOWAS. ECOWAS ndi. Let me show this thing. A Nigerian man or use Ghana passport. I was in London. Ayateno. Nigeria ni use Ghana passport. Ye ka samu amomo ye kana kwasie bi ati baby anu o Jimmy. Si ye kun ba ni kidnap ba. Anka bon san sama ye ni abra ye kan is not easy. Me say hwa Nigeria for intimidate. Yes, a footballer be of you one ya kidnap one first can call yakunu and it's happening in Ghana here. Da be ni ati ade ye friend kidnap. Because me jai kakura o ka Ghana phone ka e binu me bi Jimmy makwan. Me be jai kakura. Yeah. Ah. Obedi otumfu atahwa wo no. Hey, look at me. You are wait. Say Ghana phone penifo bi titi ho. Ayamori ho yeah, got this video. Why? Nigeria might be a use Ghana passport to London. I yachi no. Young Comra.
Hold on. Another Nigerian man have been arrested in UK using Ghana passport to commit crime. Watch out, and I'll be right back.
It's a copy of his Ghanaian passport. Right, this was issued on the 1st of February 07.
Yeah, that's the point.
Right, where did you get this from? In Britain, this country or Ghana?
This one?
Yeah.
In this country.
From this country?
Yeah, when my brother was just sending
So you wasn't here when you got this passport issued to you from...
Yeah, I was here.
You was here in 2007?
Yes, I was.
To be honest, yeah?
To be honest,
yes.
Yeah.
At the moment it looks like the passport may not be here.
I think...
So... This gentleman will probably be asked to report on immigration bail. That'll be decided by the arresting officers.
The team know that without a travel document, they cannot remove the man from Britain. Their only option is to grant him temporary release.
But you have to report every week, you understand? Otherwise you'll have problems if you get stopped again by the police or immigration. Okay?
He'll be reporting to us until we can get a document and a removal date for him, and then he'll be removed back to his country of origin. So for him, if he's ever apprehended again, there won't be no release for him, he'll be detained.
The enforcement team in London need to search the home of a cleaner they've arrested on suspicion of being in the country illegally.
Come on, mate. Watch your head, yeah? Stand up on the
The man gave a false name. But officers found an ID card, and checks against this name confirmed he is from Nigeria, and here on a tourist visa that expired 2 years ago.
The gentleman says it's his sister's address and she lives on the 5th floor. We've got officers providing rear cover just in case someone throws documents out of windows.
The team must find his passport. Without it, they can't send him back home.
No, hold him. We can go.
Because his sister's a bit nervous of the law and police, and especially immigration. He's asked us to stand away from the peephole, or she won't answer the door, basically. If she sees his face, she'll answer. If she sees us, she won't. So we're just waiting for her to answer the door.
Hello,
Turn up the door, immigration will arrest you.
My question is that why is our people always using Ghana passport? That is my question. Why are we keep on using Ghana passport, committing other crime that we look like it's Ghana? This is very, very bad. I think at this time, what we need is to reshuffle our own country, to make our own country better and stop using other people's passports. This is not right. We have a very big problem in Nigeria that we all need to settle and face our own country and leave Ghana alone. That is what I have to say on my own. I don't know what you think, but I would like you to drop your comments. Tell me the reason why that makes Nigerians to keep on using other country passports. I'll see you guys in my next video.
Abusia one video ya Nigeria ni ebema oyisu Ghana passport. Ti wo di kodi boni ebeka se Ghana ni. That's why police for na do the mo so ye Nigeria ni. And oyisu Ghana passport. Kwan be so no fa so onya asa passport no. Kwan be so e no fa so onya asa passport no. Mi bisa o, kwan be so e no fa ya onya asa passport no. Passport immigration and the man no ana. Passport office and the man wana. And that's a passport ni a fake passport wana. Our the Ghana. Say America deport Ghana secretly. What you say? Because they say me say America. Say someone the Ghana phone because someone say born here who don't na Ghana for can be. Me wanya yo Nigeria for the an identity. Akwa sunsuma wa de obi one woda wo sunsun be fi say ni panso no akoyi obi anim sa na Nigeria fa yo mo yi anim di ko dipone. No mo techire. No, because they are now jealous about the good name and the good identity of Ghana for, and they wanted to destroy this country with their evil character. Yeah, come on, chuku dia babante say asem na kwa kodi aposi for ntem je ntisuka letter no ene da hor mo dia mun kan letter no ye beka. I was expecting say chuku di baba be catch ni Nigeria for say baby ade na du no mum ye njan kwase asem ayedi wo ga se mumu bi di nkwase mamunyai. Nemo dia ba say ye nyaka, we are going to say it. I'm a media, I'm a blogger. I'll always say that any news that will come out, I'll talk about it. And I'll let my people in this country know what is going on and what Nigerians, evil thing Nigerians are doing here. And I let anyone kind. Masa, in fact, Ghana won, and I made the kakano. Adichi and you'll be made the cry dene. Adichia, there will be a bedi a dene, will be the common header. Wobi num nsuo na eda nipa brebre wa hade be china se ohia ni bi be pie ko ba bia ba obekwa ya wa mbabio area mete ya te se sister bi pie ho mbabio ba besi ne your friend number switch off up to now as I'm speaking yeni mbabia ho ne nam se ya kidnap no se de na kosio se ya wabusu ni bi ni ya de bi sanka almost we di bebre anka protest ya na se Nigeria must go ka wano kra na na wano be din na enka wo danti na niama me de bufo na na kasapa na no laugh ministers and MPs, they have a protection. Korea minister be feel police no one area. Otira go down them over to brani abuni egura wa. Dey na be si. Ghana so na ukum obi a na ye ntehwe biem. Aren. Akwa come here say law na e favor Nigerians no. Na ye mutimamufo na. Bibi be si wo Ghana ha. Someone just ankwasiade no a. Ye ntiase. We are going to raise up. We are going to wake up. Ote wo mamu na fa de wo hia Nigeria ni na wudwane. Yes, Mama, I can't crash the home. Nigerians and Zembe and this opposition. So one for Nyan for my media make a fact natural. You are doing your job. You are doing a good job. That one there, but only in Nigeria. Shakufu do the MPP opposition. I'm out for the MPP. I am telling you, and the go for the policies in India, as a crop for 4 women and more. That's why you're reshuffle. Obitisa Kenoforata. And crop for pick woman and more. Nanka Kufuor policies was very so good. free education. It was very so good. One is one factory, Koyanka was very so good. Now so Ade kakra bi mekufa do MPP composition ma hwe na nim gwase ne na MPP wo mo atwa mo ho ye de because of a little mistake. Eti ye ka asema kire mahama. We like we media me malopre medical yaka. I don't support any political party. I support this country. It is a wonder. Even Ayerika himself kra make say wono dia wa ye nya ni mugidie na say dan kwa ma bi oso nyame ya abdum be di president. No kra nya no ma ya. I don't care because Ayerika hwe me Ayerika o ma miska. Me hia bibia so free ni ho. Me hia Ghana so dwei. So manu pia be ye free. Yetiti akura se yetimi nante ye bakuro mi yetiti akura se ye be dia bro okura be anadwo wane ye nante ko ye kura. Nothing happened. Bibia nsi. Na fe de na de yeti kurom no usuro. Moto bi ba na wo ne Nigeria fo bebre yisu moto. Ebi kura dani Uber drivers. Ye be kan na o ba bi ba be chimi wo ho. Ene me nche kura me nche. Ah. Benka dem biom Nigeria ni no be ma na okowura hotel aye chi na okuta master key no yen sanhwe no sombra.
There was one Nigerian criminal in Ghana. When you say this Nigerian criminal in Ghana, he have a master key. This master key, he dey use it to open Ghanaian door. Like if people know they around, when people don't go work, he go use this particular master key to open people door. And when you open people door, what did this guy do? He dey steal people clothes. Now one day, they catch him. Watch the video and see what I tell you.
Tete ben echemu a omoti dede bi fridan ba ko bi mu ne senti otu America kodam ho no mu a okoduru ho no omu se Joseph Chukwuemeka abawura dan ni mu a wa mu dan ni se no kra master key what is anchire mu yitu dwa
da ho nam se obi ye room ba ko obi bu dan ni meti gigigi like obi woso edan no ba bi se ye ba ko I fine ana wa ba no ba beda nti no na me bra pedi from say dan no o ma bie ni ba o ma mbu key o ma mbu padlock no because we no shame na me say adan ba so no be say because padlock mbu ye wo spare key o so ni spare key no ni ga bi na ba ha you no problem any pie na kwa u pie kwa atwa na guest room nti hanga ni we na ho no wasase sashe no otutu odan no ode ko
kaswa
obi anim no oba bia sunti on pe no che se oni oba na ba obi anim oba pre ko na ba
enu achi Chukwuemeka echire mu a eyebonsam ena jeje ne mani di sa abone no ne senti omanfo emfa nche no nenso oni nyina mu no ode no akoma aposifo a wo hye enhwehwemu ase
that is Pentecost. I wanted to go. Then I gave Pentecost, go collect what I won't collect before I go to the Madina.
Why did you steal the hanging?
But all this thing, I just never walk as well.
You don't know why you do.
I know, I even get wardrobe, I don't just know. I don't just know.
How old are you?
I'm 29 years.
Nigeria?
Yes. Please.
Yeah, welcome back, BM. And then me boy fupa, where did I get a usual gains or two for na semi ama? Miss me and you say, yeah, I got madam. Mrs. Akano, that girl will come in sorted or two for people should look for her picture, her location for me. Yabama police if watching. Also the Macau, ya share video number. My you could Nigeria ni be man okowura dem ho no hotel mu use master's key boni akase nyina Nigerians. Hey, now make I tell the bloggers where they Ghana now if be the Choko the house where John Dramani Mahama or the police ask us to stop, they will take over, but not listen. We are going to do the citizen arrest if you misbehave. Now yeah what I am telling Nigerians where they country here. If you misbehave and we catch you, for you to believe that guy will go and attract Dr. Hassan Yerega, you go hear the news, you go be deported from this country. We are not joking now. We are not joking now. So because some of the Nigerians are saying Mahama is their president, or because they think anything Mahama is doing in the favor of them. Okay. And I am telling them, if what you Nigerians think about Mahama is doing something to favor you, we are telling you the country is not for Mahama. The country is for Ghanaians. Although Mahama is a Ghanaian and he's a president of Ghana, but the country doesn't belong to Mahama. So if you think Mahama is doing something to favor you, you get ready. That is what some of the Nigerians are saying, that Mahama is their president because all whatever he's doing in favor of them. Now, Orlando blogger, oh yeah, NDC blogger, Orlando, I like you. I like you so much. I like you as a brother. Orlando, this is the time wake up and talk about Nigerians. Look at what the Nigerians are doing. What are you because we say okay, damage NDC now. We should no. This is the time where we should wake up. Forget about the party you are. Me say every NDC reading you know. Me say kabio. Now me was me mantua bao, but me support NDC. I am telling you, come on, so I'm fast support because na me buafu Akufo-Addo aban no. Asante bedi etuo no ne racial for ye kan ya na Akufo-Addo ntia. Efe de Mahama koto omudin achen mafies no. Me bufu ya na se sa na tia dia. Ene MPP be ko position ye nyina be campaign ti o. Enti me platform na me ye campaign ma ndi. I will speak the truth, me control. Ubufu me a me ka nokora na kire. Said de na me so me buasa fu NDC no. Enti na make say me ni one side o me ni party bia me gina mfirifiri me your man ne ba enti ade be affect Ghana no I'll talk about it. So NDC na no pre MP no me di o me chia so commander e madanse e almost to aso ko Akufo-Addo sakod me card golf me ka say akwa bi ma me bi o say ka we so di movie na me so golf 3 convoys need to and me di movie as a media because that person me taking every coverage of NDC cause now and then good talks near me promote to NDC. Said they should come to power here. Because now my Diana says yes, here before this guy ever chomagum. Say, and Mr. Mahama akotena fear bad dear. Sabita frachem from Sobio Yeno. Ebia, what me ye in now Mahama about Nigeria for hey. Mahama Kasabia okay about Nigeria. I am ya papa. Also Ghana for a soon complaining. Say Nigeria for tete wom. Nigeria for how but can deport of countries be Ghana and Konya acquire something else. Countries be deporting Nigerians because of their bad character. Penny beef in Nigeria by Mahama say my stepmother is Nigerian. That means only already so be deported one. And no man Nigeria for Koka say yeah Mahama is our president because everything Mahama is saying and doing is in the favor of them. If you answer ke ko chuku di fie ya president ka say yenya botro no ankasa be so from Mresantina ye ka say ye start here there with president Ankaje just 2 days back na ka ye kwakot pam chuku di akodi kurum Mahama say ye ntwen we so oh yeah president ti say odi ye di ni die eni obuo man eno na ma yan kwankoye na no nkire say ye twamo yet president because you're the certain president no matter what we need to give respect to him into your car you know I will say yen twen ani ya twen ho and if you let that chukudi de aba beto abontene also say o police for ansem we are not lying let them in down no emu some kind we are not lying what you say I'm simply for no Bible o president fear soldier for near police for Minister Fee, make us a time and honorable UTMS on. Then go meet a pram, you know. Now me calling Chisata, na me now for me be a policy for a four quane, and now for a guide a friend on MP. Me call UTMS fear. I have police for me and when you again. There be a police for MP, call police in it. Minister call police in it. They always have a protection. Now me know me on wine at him. I'm young couple trading on Porto so boy we are boss running as Asia. Me know you're buying boy with him. Spiritual bind body in Ghana here we have it because Australia make that physical bind body no so eh. Ya hwe ye ni amaya no anya so that dem Nigeria for beba bekum. Mo se makasa say that dia God be ka na shemabufuo. Mo Nigeria for ya mo Igbo bi enzam wi nipa. Mo ankasa kwai ya chi na wodem aye ba be deport ni. Wo no ankasa kan se ne kon na ede na wo ti Ghana kasa asem we na so man ye serious a. Obetumi akotra America kasa ye wi nipa. Aso camera na just like that. Ewurade Ghana yenye serious of baby o bedu baby yenye serious and amesra Ghana migration John Dramani Mahama chisu we immigration adwuma anya Mahama dia hwe mistake we you jawajo enti Mahama nsa me kire me say this is the time am for migration more samakati ani ne so Mahama mpato tumuma cause obo akatua ni ti kura adwuma no ya akatua ni ne so tumuma o ma me mesra John Dramani migration munya adwuma mo o ma o anka wo be odan ya betimi aka wasase o mu oma ochine bi na umami bi afro say Kofi Antwi na ejewai ubra pia na sister pia wamba we immigration uti oye mo so fane says Ghana ni de sheye yekun wo Nigeria oye Ghana na musini a oye adwuma ma aban abayo kama yekun na besi na yente ho asemi fano say oti we oye Ghana ni fano so ye wo de hye fane say wo nua ba fane say wo maame fane say wo yire how would you feel it? Shatawale akwa odi ni bevi akwa fa ayi Nigeria akwa invite na so no Shatawale se Nigeria ni bie kuni ba akobekwa akwa invite Nigeria fo na unza de bi wona se ye mfandi wa wo se normal de wo yare no nipa na wo yare no esense wo yare na ye ma na duro de ye ontimi no me wo so fa so se wo no bateka wo na wo yare mpa ka bie duro no wonum to wutin obi honam a ti wo de na hwe ne ya asana koti obi honam ti wo de wo ka agi a no wo se ne wo de ti obi so obeka agi enti ade ne mama bobo no ye ntwen se ye mfandi obi ansa ye so koto se aboa na koto unu anso nka se sore ne so se sore ye so bi odi firi so no de ba wo so ti anka mu binti mu ni what is going on. I promise Nigerians they will leave this country. I am not the government, I am not the president, but I am the citizen of this country. Ye be ko so akasa to say ni pe Ghana for bebrente de eko because of TikTok. They start crowd send me post TikTok. No be who what is going on. Men kasa biu mapon men chia obia bye bye men chia obia obedi otumfu atem dabi mesa boss an video ni biu yansan hwe sa ga ni video ni mbra mesa bo biu
man here that opens his mouth and said that Igbos we are human eaters, that Igbos we dey chop people body. We dey Ghana. How many of your people have we used or eat their body? You see this on our people, Otumfua, any, I don't want to know whatever they called you. You see all these Ashantini people. I can see that, una like trouble.
Okay. So what? Ebufu sem. Sagewe, who want the picture be me pacho fasten me. If you have this girl picture, fasten me. Every day, me the battle screen so no more reminder Ashantis. Was said the Asante Fatem. The girl we cry. Also Ghana. Okay. Na no tun for pia. What take okoso. Say we di otun fatem dia mame faso echia ahemfo nyina gamanche. Numwe denche. Gamanche. Nana pia. Nana wake up. Nana umasusa. Ukuroma ehiamwa yesususa Nigeria foi. Nana womu din kwase. Ma ahemfo mon sorry. We shouldn't look at the president. Mon sorry. Gamanche, Mr. Nana, numwe, I beg, please, numwe, wake up for Ga people. Wake up. Because yaya sante for, yaya chem for, young kwa for, young fante for, young kriapin for, say ya te, sen kran for a jamua, omo ye, omo gane, omo kagana, young pene. Etini anu ya nanka, papa ikaso okosini kingdom war, isan kenya ya, but Womusono, ometimi destroy the whole Ghana, ntini eni abre, yankasa yan kranfo no kwa side nti, emfaya ho. Uya igbeni a, uya Ghana ni wa ha. Uya nkrani a, uya Ghana ni, uya kroboni a, uya Ghana ni, nti ya kanfo ntenate, so bi fini kuro medi kwa asem kire, the other tribes. Abakwa semu no, wo abakwa semu no, abakwa semu no, yasi asantefo ni dentrafo kwa kwen osedi no. Yase no dinat for be bo asante for pa wo abakosem no sa na mete no wo abakosem no e say no dinat hu sa asante for so ye dia no dinat as Ghana for asan ya ga onye kutashi ni ko okuna okuma kutashi for okuma Ghana for enti ye ntrate so bi mfa ohene bia ni mbagimi especially Nigeria ni kwasia wo de ye hene bedi agro mu fake hene no kokan kwasem sa akire no. A program no mejai me ye bi nkura ensem bi ye bufuo me nka biem ene fitina ko mejai me nka bi ko asensem fumi e koso o mamu ampe ye mpanifo no biruma ye din ase Nigeria fo na nya tumi bi unsuro sa wote Ghana na wodi otumfo atem unsuro Uya Nigeria ni na wote Ghana. And now officer kwasiani abwane ya say whatever I don't want to. Hey, who you say is an insult? Me person me huni dimpo. If you use that word, oh put them. Metimi akọ Nigeria according to Funse. Me jai program ni mi yebio. Bye bye. Fitina ko me jai. Me se bi ye me bufu kura. Bye bye.
Marote TV, in God we trust.